It's in the oven?
Oven.
Uh-huh.
Like,
What you cooking?
it's chimney.
Turn it on. You better hurry. Finn's getting hungry. Not done yet? Uh-huh. What'd you make? What is it? What is it? What'd you cook? What'd you cook? Let me see. What'd you cook? Ah, you made some bread. Uh-huh. You looking for the spatula? I think it's right there. Yeah. Oh, no, that's not the spatula. I don't know. It's not the dirty dishes? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you washed it. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't wash anything, does he? Uh-huh. Wash it. Oh, the bowl. Is it in the cabinet? Look in the cabinet. No? Where's the bowl? Tongs.
It hurts.
It hurts? Pinch yourself. Alright, let's look for the wash ball. Say bye.
Bye.